Overthinking doesn't disappear forever. It just finds sneakier ways to show up. That's why in this final lecture, you will create your own personalized overthinking SOS plan, a quick go-to strategy you can rely on when your mind starts to spiral. Whether you're stuck in analysis paralysis, second-guessing every move, or just mentally exhausted, this simple plan will help you catch the loop early, reset fast, and get back into action, calm, grounded, and clear. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify your early warning signs of overthinking, design a simple 3-step rescue plan you can use anytime you spiral, use grounding, reframing, and small actions to break the loop quickly. Let's be honest, overthinking doesn't disappear forever. It's a habit, and like any habit, it can resurface when you're tired, overwhelmed, or uncertain. But here's the difference now. You'll be ready for it. You'll have a plan, not just a theory. Why you need a plan. Think of this like first aid for your mind. You don't wait until you're in pain to figure out what to do. You prepare. Psychologist Ethan Kross, author of Chatter, found that people who had a pre-planned strategy for dealing with mental noise were twice as likely to recover quickly from thought spirals. So let's build yours. Your 3-step overthinking SOS plan. Step 1, spot the spiral early. What are your first signs of overthinking? Examples. You reread the same email 4 times. You ask for too many opinions. You mentally replay a mistake over and over. Write down 1-2 signals that say, I'm entering the loop. Step 2, reset your body or environment. Before fixing the thought, interrupt the state. Pick one of these quick resets. Go for a 3-minute walk. Wash your face or stretch. Close all browser tabs. Use grounding. 5 things I can see, 4 I can touch. These actions signal safety to your brain. Research from the University of Pittsburgh found that even 90 seconds of physical interruption, like walking or deep breathing, can reset overactive mental loops. Step 3, anchor, with a simple reframe or action. Now that you've paused the spiral, choose one of the following. Reframe. This doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be sent. Action. Do the smallest next step. Send, write, ask, move. Exit. Ask, will this matter in 3 days or 3 years? If not, let it go. Example. One learner created this SOS plan. Signal. Obsessively editing the same sentence. Reset. 10 jumping jacks and opening the window. Reframe. It doesn't need to win an award, it just needs to be clear. That plan helped them send their first newsletter in months. You don't need to avoid overthinking forever. You just need a way to catch it and redirect it fast. Now you have your mental reset button. And when that next spiral comes, you won't spin. You'll pause, reframe, and move forward.